BMW and Steinway fit very well together because they are the symbol of traditional German craftsmanship.
It turned out we have the very same understanding of what it means to build perfection.
This extra accuracy, this amount of precision, that dedication that needs to be put in to make a car like this become a reality.
With this car, our designers have done a great job. They have incorporated the BMW philosophy and the Steinway philosophy due to the design.
The colors that we use are white and black, and both of them of course stand for precision, also exclusivity, but naturally white and black are also the colors that Steinway uses for the keys of the piano.
We have a very exclusive integration of the Lyra, the symbol of Steinway&Sons. I always wonder how our engineers find the next level of perfection.
What I like most in this car is really how luxurious it became.
The audio system that we have developed particularly for this car is really something special. It's like being in a live concert in a music hall.
I drove this car, I enjoyed it very much. I was very impressed by the power, by the elegance, and of course also by the new created audio system. Something I would like to own.
A night of celebration at the world-famous piano manufacturer Steinway.